friends, thanks for joining me. It's Morag here and I've got some fresh scrapbook inspiration for you using the fantastic July 2024 kits, and it has a distinctive tropical feel in lovely tropical colours with lots of different elements and textures, and of course everything is exclusive to Hip Kit Club. So let's get stuck in. There are always I think 10 double-sided pattern papers each month, and this month they are a beautiful set in tropical colours and patterns. I love small patterns, to be honest, so I do gravitate towards those, but I shall no doubt use some of the more striking papers later this month. So to begin with, I am I've picked out some tropical colours, and I'm going to use this bold blue colour just to offset the two warmer colours so they contrast. And I'm cutting out some oversized tags, and I've got a small tag template which I'm using just to snip out those corners evenly. I find this is the quickest way to create a tag of any size. Although I do have tag dies, I have a tag maker, I still go to my templates. So I'm scrapping 5 photos on this layout. I recently met up with some friends in London. In fact, one of the girls that is on my team, she arrived from New Zealand, so it was a good excuse for us all to meet up for the first time. And we had a lovely day out in London, and the sun was shining, which is kind of unusual for here in the UK. But we're enjoying a little heat wave at the moment, so long may that last. So a good way to scrap a lot of photos is to kind of do a photo strip style like I've done here. And the reason why I've made them tag shaped is so that I can add some ribbon and texture later. So it is a favourite way of scrapping more photos, and I've been trying to scrap more per page if possible. So that's going to be kind of more or less the final arrangement. And look at that, I'm sticking down already. Miracles never cease. Just to add a bit more interest to the background, I've used a tearing ruler just to chop off that top right corner. And I'm folding back that edge a little bit just for a little distress and a little contrast. And then I'll back the aperture with this yellow paper here. And as you can see, I'm trying to get as many colours on my page as possible. Even though I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different colours and different tones of colours as well, I found the overall result actually isn't overpowering in terms of colour. I think it just gives it a lovely vibrant feel. So for my title, I am using one of the cardstock foam stickers from the main kit that says Hello Summer, and I love that sticker, it's my favourite, so I just nabbed it straight away. And also in the main kit this month, if I'm not mistaken, we get a whole pack, a whole sticker pack, which is amazing because already in the main kit, as I unpacked it, we had the cardstock foam stickers, we've got die cuts, we've got alphas, and then to my surprise I opened the sticker book, or the sticker pack, and there were like 4 sheets of stickers in there. I was just gobsmacked. So the main kit this month is just bumper pack if you ask me. So hats off to the girls for designing such an amazing kit. So along the bottom there, I wanted to add a bit of interest. I like a little bit of sewing. I wasn't sure. I've come back from vacation and my mojo has gone to sleep, I think, on a beach. So I thought I'd add a bit of stitching to the bottom, and I used a bendable ruler that you can see there. And then I've just poked holes and done a simple back stitch in the blue to match that blue tag. And then I saw this paper and saw the little sentiments. I thought, well, they'd be really cute along that wavy line. So I've cut a few out to try, and the actual thing didn't really match the vision in my head. They just kind of look weird. So as you can see, I tried putting them along that wavy line, but no, it didn't really work. So I'm going to put those little sentiments down that little space just there. But now I've got this wavy line that I don't know what to do with. So I've gone to the embellishment kit for a rescue plan. So I needed little tiny things just to put along that wavy line, I'm thinking. So I've pulled out the little puffy stickers, which tend to be a little bit smaller than normal stickers and die cuts, and they're just perfect for what I need. I needed to be careful because my photos, of course, are from the City of London, so nothing to do with beaches and so on. But it was a really hot day, so I feel quite justified about some of the iconography that I've used, particularly the little cocktail thing. I might have consumed 1 or 2 of those on the day. And I think the tropical leaves and flowers are just perfect for this because, as I say, it was really hot, which is kind of unusual in London. So just while I am fanning around with little sentiments, I am going to put one of those onto that sticker with, it has a camera and little flags sticking out the side, which is perfect. These chipboard embellishments. Oh, it's the wax embellishments. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Those you can find in the embellishment kit this month. That's such a super idea because I've tried wax seals. A, they're a real faff. B, you have to buy the wax and these seals, and then you only want one of them, and then you've invested all this money, but they come in a pack and they look so realistic, and all the work's done for you. And I think there's 3, 6, 9, 12 in one pack, so fantastic idea. So well done, girls. And that's just great for tucking in that little bit at the top there. Sorry, I went off point. So I'm just going to top my tags off them with a little bit of ribbon and twine from my stash. Just to give a little bit of texture and just another kind of element really. I've got a journal card from the embellishment kit there, and that's a perfect place to put a location and a date, that kind of thing. I must confess I don't do a lot of journaling on my pages. Naughty me. You think I'd know better after all these years. So I'm just going to tuck that date along the side there. So it is a bit fiddly with my twine and ribbon, trying to get that into place. So I'm kind of thinking that that's more or less it. But I do want something between the 2 main photo strip tags because I didn't like the gap. And in the embellishment kit this month, there are these vellum leaves and flowers. My goodness, they're my favourite things. When we did a survey recently, I requested these again because we had a few last year. They're just delicious to work with. I think it's because they're so light and airy, they're very easy to use and layer together. Whereas sometimes if you've got die cuts and stickers, they're kind of bold. These are soft, as you can see, very easy to manipulate and layer together. Because it's vellum, I use a clear glue, and I don't really have any problems with glue marks in the finished item. So there you have it. That is my non-tropical girls' date with friends in London. And I absolutely adore the July kits. They're just jam-packed full of lovely items for you to use on your scrapbook pages and projects. Do go check out the links below to go and snaggle yours if you haven't got one already. And I would highly recommend signing up for a subscription because you do get 15% off add-on kits. And I shall be using the colour kit and pocket life kit in my next layouts. So do check back for those. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.